Idineklara sa deliberasyon ng House Committee on Justice na sufficient in grounds ang ikatlo at ikaapat na impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ang mga pinakahuling detalye ihahatid live ni Milky Rigunan. Miss Milky?
Well, tuloy na ang formal na hearing ng House Justice Committee sa impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ay matapos ideklara ng komiteng parehong sufficient in grounds ang third at fourth impeachment complaints laban kay VP Sara. Kay Committee Chair Jervil Luistro, nasa step 4 na sila at sisimula na ang full impeachment proceedings sa March 25 at susundan nito ng April 14, 22 at 29, 2026. Sabi ni Luistro, napatunayan ng komite na kailangang magpatuloy ang impeachment proceedings laban kay VP Sara dahil sinuhi ang bawat anggulo, hinimay ang mga records at dokumento at hindi lamang binasa kundi inaral ang mga reklamo. Katwiran ni Luistro, mabibigat ang mga aligasyon laban sa Vice Presidente. Kaya naman inaasahan ng komite ang matibay niyang mga paliwanag. Narito ang pahayag ni Batangas Representative Jervil Luistro, Chair ng House Committee on Justice.
Line with that, I wish to add that the evidence and witnesses which will be presented by both parties during the hearing proper will be part of our consideration in the determination of probable cause in our step 5. Having said so, the chair announces the predetermined schedule of our hearing proper. This includes March 25, 2026, April 14, April 22, and April 29, 2026. These are the initial dates for our hearing proper. Likewise, the chair places on record that the committee is in receipt of the approved resolution authorizing, the title of which, authorizing the House Committee on Justice to implement Section 8 of the Rules of Procedure in impeachment proceedings relating to the protection of complainants and witnesses, and further authorizing the committee to continue the conduct of impeachment proceedings and the exercise of ancillary powers during the recess of the House of Representatives from March 21, 2026 to May 3, 2026. This is the authority that was given by the plenary, the House of Representatives, to the Justice Committee to be able to conduct hearing during our break.
Samantala, sa formal na pagdinig, inaasahan ang pagpresenta ng mga ebidensya at dokumento maging pagpapatawag sa mga witness. Una nang nag-manifest si Deputy Speaker Lawrence Defensor na bilisan ang pagdinig at malaman kung merong pananagutan si VP Sara, mayakyat na sa Senado ang impeachment complaints at umusad rin sa pagharap sa mga mahalagang problema ng bansa. Sa sidelight fuel, bago magsimula ang hearing, ipinakita naman ni na Representatives Leila de Lima at Kirsten Danya ang baon nilang Mary Grace, pero walang tiyakos. Mula sa MBC TV Network News, ako si Milky Rigunan, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Nagulat ng live mula sa House of Representatives. Maraming salamat, Milky Rigunan.